How's it going? Book of Hours. This is an interesting looking game. Gonna 100% cultist sim before I see. So this is these are the types of games that you're interested in. Like, it seems like heavy UI games. From on the surface, obviously. Because I remember looking at Cultist Simulator, which is also like a lot of text to read. Nocturnal. From Book of Hours. Like to read. I should have just looked at Weather Factory. So what was there? Oh, it's by the same guys. Okay. That makes sense. Same universe. I see. That's pretty cool, actually. I'll probably have to check it out one of these days. Probably when it's on sale, though. I do want to finish Blasphemous. I think it's actually pretty decent. So, what am I going to do today? Probably going to do... I do want to do some art real quick. I was going to do level design, but I also want to do some art. There's only so much time in the day. We'll see. I wanted to add some art to chapter 1. The particles, to like update them a bit to look more like books flying around instead of skulls. I also thought of some... So I keep getting this comment like, oh, what separates the game from Celeste? What separates the game from Celeste? And like, it slightly bothers me. How do I say it? Like, I know the game is like Celeste, but I don't want it to be like the main thing people focus on every time. So I do want to add some elements that separate it from Celeste, and I think one thing that would be nice is if I have enemies in every chapter. So we might actually do that too. It's a slight feature creep, but I think it'll be relatively easy to manage as long as the first chapter is could have a relatively easy enemy. The third chapter, the second chapter, I already have an idea for an enemy. Wait, did I say the third? The second chapter, I have a decent idea for an enemy. And yeah, the fourth and fifth, we'll figure it out as we go. We'll just add it to the list. I think we could manage it, since especially since the new enemy that we're working on, like the main class, we could expand on it and like, actually, well, we would make like a parent class of that and like, yeah, create some branches off of it. I think it has some potential. Honestly, it doesn't bother me too much, but yeah, I was just thinking about it like while I was in bed. I was like, maybe I should just add an enemy. To free space for some enemies. So specifically for chapter 2, it's just going to be another enemy that's connected. It actually might not be an enemy. It might be one of those traps. It might be another trap. Yeah, the second chapter might just have another trap that acts more like an enemy. I was thinking of just having because it has like Indiana Jones vibes, I was thinking of adding like just a platform, or sorry, not a platform, like a pressure plate, and then one of those Mario boxes that have that drop down. I was thinking of doing something like that. Although I might even add this to chapter 1 instead. That way there's some more variation in chapter 1. It does kind of fit. A thwomp? Yes, the thwomp.
Hello
How's it
there.
going, Yon Yon? And then like it'd be a part of the mechanics of the game. We also have these in chapter 1. These are in the background of chapter 1, so it could actually fit pretty well. I was also, I don't know the exact idea, but I was thinking of having books, like books that are like bats. They're like flying around. This is not a good bat drawing, but yeah, hope you get it. Hope you get the idea. And the bats, I'm not entirely sure what it would do just yet, but yeah. Book bats. Backs. And that's how I was gonna update the particles just now, so that we can have more books in the game, because it's supposed to be like a library. Maybe less furniture and more books. So stuff like this. So yeah, let me see if we could find, maybe a decent collection of books in the game. Okay. And then on top of that, I also want to work on the enemy today. I'm thinking of actually finding someone to, I want to commission someone for the eyeball enemy, so that we can make like I really want to do something where the attack state is animated, and it would look like something like, I don't know, like when it's attacking, like flame, like the thing that's like drooping off the side of the eye, it turns into sort of like hair, and it starts animating this way, and then the eyeball shoots its laser at you. I'd like to do something like that. But yeah, I would obviously need to animate this. And I can't do that. Maybe I can try, but yeah, the fact that there are like some stuff already on the eye, it might look weird. Maybe we can like remove that while it's entering the state, and maybe we could do something with particles instead. But yeah, I haven't thought too deep into it. We'll see. Whoa, shit. Okay. Let me see if we can find something really quick on itch. I want to see if there are any book sprites. I think it's probably the easiest thing to make, but if we can find something, that'd be better. Book. Ooh. This actually looks pretty cool. 100 pixel art wand and book icons. They're pretty high res though. Admiran's Librarian. Ooh. This one's also, yeah, a lot of these are very high res though. I don't know if I can use it, but pixel books. Oh, what is this? Book Eye. Magic books. It's actually pretty neat. But yeah, they're pretty high res. Like, this is like 16 by 16. Are they animated? Oh, 32. Oh my god, they're actually humongous. But will they look like books with so little pixels? I think so. I mean, I think the particles that we have here look like books when it's in game. And these are barely anything. They will look like books if they're huge. I mean, we can have a variety of them. I low-key want to buy them and try just reducing the size. Also, what's the license? Please have a license. Oh my god. See any license? Oops. Alright, no license. No. I'm not gonna buy it. Great job. I think I've seen this before. License. They must have a license. Okay, yeah, they do have a license. Let me see this one. What size is this? These sprites are 32 by 32. There's some protractors and compass things, paper clips, pens, some scrolls, some books. Again, these are... Let me see something. I can't tell. It looks like it's a 16 by 16 image, but maybe I'm dumb. Because if it's 32, I think we might have a better chance of just drawing them ourselves. But yeah, we'll see right now. .630 by 630. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I see, okay. So it is 32 by 32. Here, wait, let me see what it looks like if we shrunk it. I mean, some of these look like they're... Like, this actually doesn't look too bad. These books right here, stacked. But I feel like I could also make these myself. Do you know retro diffusion? No. None of these have, the only one that has a license. It's retro diffusion. Oh, I think I have seen it. It converts everything to pixel art. Or tries to. Is this... Makes pixel art out of existing art, right? That's actually... That's pretty cool, actually. I'll have to look into it. It's not cheap, though. You have to buy it? $65. Custom industry leading pixel art. Yo, how's it going, Drew? What are you up to? Kind of slacking off right now. Not doing anything. We were looking at pixel art, but I might just try creating my own books. It shouldn't be too hard, really. Okay, let's do. You got a trio dub with randoms, or you have a squad. And try with Ninja, Tyler, Blevins, and Drake. Nice. I think I know some of those guys. Wrote the whole story myself. True. All like 50 words that are currently in the game. Oh, this is actually, let me make this. What the hell? Oh, I forgot we could do this. What is it? Shift C? Control H? Shift H? Come on, one of these. Control Shift C? Oh my god. I remember there's something to change the canvas. Is it just C? It is just C. 16. So I want to make a scroll. This might be too large, actually. Let me make increments of, I'm gonna try 4. Just so we know. Like this is 8. Oh my god, that's actually confusing. I'm gonna stick to, 8 by 8. Okay. The thing is, we don't really have to make the scrolls too good looking, because when it's in the game, we're gonna be rotating it and stuff, so like it'll actually look pretty good on its own. You can do something like that. Or wait. Oh, looks like a I see it. I see the potential. Alright. Wait, something looks weird. Maybe there's too much, I don't know. Should I give it an outline? Or maybe just like dark pixels over here? Oh, I think that looks pretty good. Let me see. I'm sure we have so many references of like, I probably have like a bunch of books too somewhere around here, or like scrolls. I'm gonna look through. It's not technically stealing art when we do this. We're like we're looking at them for references. Can do maybe a diagonal one, a paper diagonally. It should be consistent, I think. Don't know how to make it consistent. I'll try this again. What is this song? I like it. Bow, bow, bow. Doors. Elevator Jam remix. Why is it gone? Because I minimize it. If I don't minimize it... Wait, actually. Where is it? Sometimes I have to... Yeah, wait, actually it should be there. Sometimes the reference gets ruined. I have to like re-click it. It should be there now. But here's the link. Okay. Oops. Recently found the meaning of Link from Zelda. He is the actual link to the past and the future, as well as the link between worlds. Who's Link? You mean Zelda? The pink-haired elf guy? Oh. Yeah, that's Zelda. His girlfriend is called... Yeah, his girlfriend is Link. No, then... Yeah, it's okay. I'm a huge Zelda fan, that's why... Yeah, it just bugged me when you said that, because I was like, oh... I hate when people, you know, call them by the wrong name. From what the fuck? Trying to think, should I leave? I feel like maybe I just need to drop this down. Here, wait, can I do this? I just want to select these. Oh my god. Oh, but we can only bring it down by... Okay, I'll try it out. Oh, I could leave it like that too. That kind of looks pretty neat. No, I think it should stay like that. Should I put text? You know, it doesn't look too bad like this. I don't think. Have you seen the One Piece? I've not seen the One Piece. I'm concerned this might look too large. I'm gonna keep it here. We're gonna make another variation in case it looks bad. Bum, bum, bum. It looks pretty good to me though. We'll see. I low-key want to make one more version, but slightly smaller. Let me see if I could just... If we scale this down. How do you scale stuff? What's the scale? Control T. What? I guess we could just do that every time. And like this kind of... Oh, this looks like a turd. Bless God for the NPC trend. Yeah, honestly, the NPC trend is it's so great. Should I exaggerate the? Let me see something. So I can make it look a decent looking. I still don't know. These are 16 by 16, which might be too large. I I should try it out ASAP. Because they might be pretty bad, actually. I think there's supposed to be books. It could be both. I'm gonna have a bunch, like scrolls and books. And these are just the scrolls for now, or pieces of paper. Oh, this one looks kind of good. This map. Yeah, pages. I want to make a scroll like this, but I don't know if it's possible. Yeah, it's hard to notice like the amazing artistic ability that I have here. It's hard to see the vision. I know. Looks terrible, but I'm gonna put it in the game, see what it looks like, and maybe you can change it as it goes. All right. Where are my recent folders? I want my Memori. If I open up something like this, and I go here, I'll save this. Recovered. Come here, save this. There we go. Flying. Paper particle texture. Look at that, that looks pretty good. Room particles, paper. Boom, 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 I think in our main scene, we changed it to world demo. It's using world demo. How are we using the skulls? Let me see. World demo should be using this, but it seems when I load it up, it's using the skulls. Oh, wait, what? I see skulls and paper. Alright, so this one looks bad. They look like little bananas flying around. The scroll actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. I do think it's a little bit too much, for sure. I should probably make it the same color as the skulls, and maybe reduce the size of them by a little bit. What I don't understand though is why do we see skulls and... Let me see something. I see both skulls. The skulls are as tall as Jacob. I think it's okay if things are larger than the player. Personally, I think it's okay. Oh, chapter 3, we say it's equal. That's why. But then why? Select room particles. Select room particles. I think. Wait, let me comment this out. There are the particles. Let me see if we go back into chapter 3. Where are the skulls? Where was that? In the main scene? Select room particles. What the hell? Doesn't match the variable type world node. What the hell? Is there another? What the hell? Are we using a different script? What is this? What's wrong with stepping on spiders? I'd say the only thing wrong with stepping on spiders is that you're killing the potential of it killing other insects that might be more of a nuisance. I would say that's the personally, I think that's the main thing. Oh. I didn't even see. Would you rather be followed by a clown in the dark or be in a single room with spiders so much that you can't walk without standing on one? Would you rather be followed by a clown? I'll say, kind of want to be followed by a clown. Whenever I'm... Is the clown, like, you know, is it a threatening clown or is it just a clown, you know? Because if it's just a clown... Actually... Would you want to live forever or die right now? That's a good question. Preservation of life makes me want to say live forever, but... I think we all know that, like, living forever might be, it's literally, like, could be a hell. Because what happens once humans die off, the world, the sun dies. You would be immortal and non-killable. Yeah, I think I would rather die. No, yeah, I would definitely rather die. Alright, see you soon. I just realized something. Our parallax is not here. What gives? Something's wrong here. Bum, 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 bum. Select room particles. Current particle preload is equal to Why am I doing it here? I guess that's just how it is. That's just how it is. I feel like I should rewrite this though, because yeah, something's weird. Room particle preload. We're writing this in our world node for some reason too. I know where you are, Jimmy. My name's not Jimmy. It's Jacob. You know one Joseph? I don't know any Josephs. You call your main character your own name? Yeah, I'm like super narcissistic, you know? So I thought, you know, like let me just name my character after myself. Alright, what the hell? Let me see. Select room particle. Get world information. Select room particle. I thought we handled this in our level manager. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm add child. Oh wait, these are parallel. I'm oh my god. I'm slow. Can't read. Can't read. Okay. All right. Yikes. Alright, let's go back here. Select room particle. So for me. Alright, let's grab that in the level manager again. Alright. Room particle skull preload. Room particle. We don't. I don't think we have to preload these. We should just like load them at the ready. Chapter 1. Paper particles. Eventually we're going to change this. So we only need to load one, not all of them. WD-40. I love WD-40. Alright, so there we go. Now we have the papers. We should have the papers. Oh my god. That's a little too many papers. Alright. So I mean we could just reduce it to whatever we want, like I don't know, maybe 10. But we also you love drinking WD-40? Yeah. That stuff is it's pretty good. You know, sometimes you need to sometimes my jaw gets a little rusty. What the hell? Why are there like millions now? I set the amount to 10. Oh, because these are from the room particles. That's why. Let's go back to paper. I wonder, does this save for this? No, it stays unique. Okay. I set it to 20 actually. Also, let's go into our level manager. I'm gonna switch to chapter 1. You know, I'm getting tired of this song. Alright, so which ones do we like? Even the scrolls, I think, look too much. Actually, no, the scrolls are the only ones that I think are decent, but they still might be too much. This piece of paper right here is alright. Also, I think we want to make them slightly darker. So maybe like that. And then maybe this one will do that, and then I'll see what it looks like, but I think we're still gonna make it the one with many flickers. Oh yeah, I see it. The one with a lot of pixels. I mean, actually, some of them flicker way too much. So yeah, making them darker does help. But yeah, definitely at least these two are going to have to shrink. That kind of looks like a book, actually. Alright, and these I also think need to change. I'll make one of them. Yeah, I kind of like it. There's gonna be more, but I think the papers look pretty decent. The one that looks like a C looks bad, but all the other ones are fine. I might even want to just reduce the frequency of it. Well, actually, what we're probably going to do is just add more to this. So, like, put the furniture in here too. I'm gonna try just. Let's do this. Why the AP was yielding incorrect values? It turned out that it was attempting to connect to an HTTP server instead of HTTPS. Took me an excessive amount of time to identify this issue. Oof. What's the difference in returning? Like, why does it return different values? Or maybe it's just one of those things that it's not even worth investigating at this point. I assume it, like, actually, yeah, I don't want to assume. I don't know too much about web stuff. I'm gonna try just making one square. One regular piece of paper. Art. How's it going, Cozy? It is art indeed. Okay. We can almost fit these into, like, some of these actually do fit in 8x8s. But I'm not going to worry about it. 16 by 16 is perfectly fine. Whoops. Alright. We should make some books too. What were the original books called? Let me see. Books. Book particle. Oh yeah. Let's see. What is this called? Floating furniture particles. It was attempting to access accepted certain routes via HTTP. Consequently, it redirected all requests to an incorrect location, which ultimately resulted in the unusual outcome. I see. I see. Shitey. Welcome back, Shitey. I rated Shitey this morning, and he's back to bring those viewers. I'm sure they're different viewers at this point. How'd your stream go? Did you finish all of the UI? I was on Shitey's stream this morning, just suggesting. I'm like, I was just suggesting more and more features for feature creep, or hey, you should add this to polish your game some more. Just add more work for Shidy's to-do list. Told you. Yeah, you did tell me you were gonna do it. I didn't believe. Oh, not that I didn't believe, but I was like more so like, oh, I'm surprised. So did you take a break? I did take a sneak peek at your stream. I assumed maybe you took like a break and then you started streaming again. There's this thing now with OBS where it says like add a guest, and it says like add as guest for anyone who raids you, and it's hella annoying because like, see this? It like blocks whatever you say, and then like I can't do anything about it unless I close and then reopen chat. Also, Papa Phantom told me to say hello. I see. The three. I see. Okay. It's a good nap. I took a. I went to sleep after watching your stream. I had a dream about. I was a scuba diver. Oh, I was learning to be a scuba diver. Don't have that with Streamlabs. Let's see. Alright, so we don't need these pieces of paper. I mean, actually, these kind of look. They do kind of look nice. Actually, this piece of paper looks pretty decent in the game. I might keep it. We'll see. We might want more books. Also, I think these books look bad now that I see them. But I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see. A creeper face. What the hell is this? Anyway, you want a better creeper face? There it is. Should I even add faces? Should do something with this. Can't think of anything though. No. Or maybe a plus sign, like it's like a medical book. Avoiding copyright. Bro, they can't copyright 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pixels. Or maybe they can. I don't know. They have money. They don't need to. It kind of looks like a creeper face. I saw it. I saw the vision. It's just an odd number of pixels. use it. Am I planning to add my self-portrait? It would be cool. If we get to that point where, like... Yeah, I might. We'll see. It's a little narcissistic of me if I do, but I'll make it so that it's like a 0.0001 chance. Alright, one more books, but there aren't too many, like... Yeah, how's it going, Cubus? I really want another book. But there are only so many books. Like, most books are, you know, rectangular. Can't really do much. Maybe if I made a horizontal book. I mean, a diagonal book. Do I read books? Not really. Not enough to say. Not enough to say I read books. How would I have time to read books when literally all I do is stream? Shady. Oh, okay. So yes, I still need to code the UI for the upgrades, but overall the idea of the... Oh my god, it's doing the same thing with the whole... You're a raid boss. Can I just remove that? Like, why is that a thing? Because you are a raid boss, but I don't need to be reminded that you're a raid boss. I just realized this is like a thicker book. Let me see. That looks terrible. Oh, that looks decent. Let me try one more thing. Wait, this has to be over here. Should be invited everywhere as a guest. Yeah, I agree. I do agree. Yeah, we could do something like that. Kind of. Okay, let's see. I don't know if that. Oh, what if I keep adding white here? Give it like a 3D. Like it's like a really thick book. And this looks bad. I see the potential, but I don't know if it looks good. Let's see what it looks like in game. Book particles, no, paper particles, 2. Do 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 do. Oh, the books actually look pretty good. Let me see. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, I think it looks decent. I think we'll add more furniture on top of, like, I think there's too many pieces of paper everywhere. It's an abandoned paper factory, yeah. Honestly, that's a cool theme though, like an abandoned paper factory. Like, what games are making paper factory chapters, you know? It's like, it's so random. But yeah, that was the object. Remember I was talking about having a trap in the game that's just a block that drops down? And Parallax looks really good for that. Call of Duty? We don't talk about that game. Oh, you just dropped a random name. I'm sure there's... I'm sure it's a thing. What do paper factories look like? Oh, what? What the hell? You see this? Is it just me, or do you stream every day, all day? No, it's just a coincidence. Whenever you're online, I'm also online. It'd be cool actually to add like some elements. No, I do stream a decent amount though. I was kidding. There's also textile factories, which could look pretty cool too. Like, actually a textile factory would look so cool. All the like spinning spools everywhere. Things like moving up and down. Have you ever seen Wanted?
Hello there.
The legendary MC. How rapier looms?
Hello there.
Planning to build one day. Posture check. Alright, let me see. Which particles do we like? Which ones don't we like? I low-key want to make them... maybe I'll just keep all of them. Alright, let's do it. We'll keep them for now. Let me expand this by another 16 pixels so we can add more. I do want to add one more book type, which is basically this, but -1. Oops. Like a thinner book. Wow, look at that variety. Also, it'd be nice to be able to flip these. Through the script rather than creating more. I'll have to look into how to flip them though. I don't know if you can flip textures. Or maybe there is. Wait, let me see. Do 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 do. Ba 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 da ba. There's no flip. There's a scale. But the only thing that you can change with the scale is the size. You can't like scale it to -1. Texture coordinates in the shader. Oh, what the hell did I just check? H-frames? -10? No, it stays on. Godot. Yeah, I don't think you can. Unless we did something with the. We could do some. I think we could do probably something with shaders, but I don't know how to. And I feel like just adding. Worst case scenario, I would just add we would grab this and just add another texture of these flipped. Yeah, I mean, you could do it through the shader, like a custom shader, but should be renamed to Feature Creep NPC. So you can flip them on the. You could flip them, but only flip all of them if you wanted to make it work this way. What the hell's playing? What the? Look at the photo. This is Memori right here. Jacob IRL, yeah. Jacob going through the emo phase. Look that, whatever that is, looks like Jacob right there too. Or if it's a meme song. It probably is a meme song. Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum. Alrighty. Should I add furniture now? Let me see. Room, particle. What's this texture? Do I plan on adding music? I do. I would love to commission someone, but it's just very expensive. Library particle. Boom. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Plus 32. Oh, you said what do I plan on doing for the music? Yeah, I plan on commissioning someone. That's the plan. Should probably start worrying about that pretty soon, to be honest. Alright, I don't think we're gonna keep all of these furniture pieces. Some of them, honestly, aren't even that good for furniture, or like for the particles. Like maybe the potions actually look kind of cool, but I want to make them look better before I put them in. I think I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't think that one looks that good. The clocks look kind of decent. I think I'm gonna get rid of these. Furniture is not too bad. This stool I'm gonna get rid of. Plants I'm gonna get rid of. Clocks are kind of cool. The potions are also pretty cool. I think, yeah, let me see. If we can make it look better though, like, I don't know, maybe make it transparent, or maybe add like a green. I don't know if I should add colors though. We'll try it out like this. I'll put some colors in it. Let me see. Green, like a dark green. And a dark red. Is it possible to utilize your commissioned programmer art for commercial purposes? Yeah. Are you saying for your own game or for your own things? I would say yes, I would say. Unless you, I feel weird if you wanted to sell it, but like if you wanted to use it in your projects, yeah. Cover art? Do you really want cover art from me? If you spend 100K, I will definitely try to make you some cover art. It won't be good. types of games become what they are because of their iconic soundtracks. True. But I wonder if it's a survivor bias, you know what I mean? Like everything in the game is just good, and then the music is good because one, it's familiar. You play the game a lot and you're like, "Oh, I remember this song. I like it." I'm sure, like, obviously these songs are good, but also it makes you wonder. Makes you wonder if it's just a survivor bias. Survivorship bias is what I meant to say, not survivor bias. But that doesn't mean, you know, I would still agree to make, you know, good music. Bum, bum, bum. So we have a bunch of other potential particles to use, but I already ran out of space. Or I'm sorry, I already don't have enough like tiles to use. Here, we'll copy. I'll put these in here for now. So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. September 6th is the Starfield release day. Oof. I'm probably not gonna get it. It's the same reason why I didn't get Starfield is probably one of the games that like I would love to get. I mean, I played so much Skyrim, I played so much Oblivion, Fallout. But yeah. It would definitely consume a lot of my time. Same reason I didn't get Baldur's Gate. Baldur's Gate. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so I don't think we want color in the game. Or, like, I don't want those bright colors of the potions. Oh, wait, what the hell? Why are the, One. Oh. Whoops. Well, we're gonna get rid of these potions. Potion seller. What's a duplicate here? These are duplicates. Wait, what the hell is that? What's that? Is that a cat? Oh, did I cut this? What the hell did I do here? I'm gonna copy this. Come on. Alright, there we go. Come on. Go away. Go away. There we go. Freak Show. How's it going? Some friends and I purchased Baldur's Gate when it was initially released on early access. However, play it once since then due to our busy schedules. Yeah, that's another thing. I think, it's supposed to be like a multiplayer experience, but I remember I think I got Divinity with friends, Divinity Original Sin, and I played the entire game alone. It's hard to manage because it requires so much dedication. And so like you have to kind of work around your own schedule. Stuck on a bug in my game, so I thought I'd check out some dev streams on Twitch for inspiration. Well, I hope I can help inspire. We're currently just working on some art. Can show you some of the game if you're interested. Yeah, I think we should probably have more books than furniture, so I'm gonna copy this one for now. But we might add more stuff later on. Low-key, what I want to do is, what I'll have to do is increase the frequency of some textures. Like maybe we only want like 3 furniture particles floating, and then the rest will be books. In that case, I would have to redo how, or I mean, it actually wouldn't be too difficult, but we would have to rewrite the script just slightly. Change the parent node to like a node 2D and then have children nodes of particles. It doesn't look too bad though. A LFB style horror game based on Dante's Inferno. LFB style. What's LFB? Lust from Beyond. Very suspicious name. Yeah, I was gonna say that's why I'm searching it. 1 in incognito and 2 on another tab on my other monitor. But yeah, I mean, regardless of it shouldn't be searched up, still looks cool. With Dante's Inferno, that's what's Dante's Inferno? Dante's Inferno. Oh, it's a 14th century epic poem? Or is it based on the game Dante's Inferno? It's about his time in hell. I see. My game is actually it's not about hell, but it is about some sort of potentially some sort of afterlife. I kind of leave it pretty ambiguous, but there is themes of afterlife, hell. Here I'll show you my hell looking chapter. This is here, let me go into the chapter real quick. Chapter. We have a heaven lake? Not really. I wasn't planning on it, no. Only suffering happens here. Oh wait, what one? I was gonna show chapter 3. Whoops. But yeah, this is my hell theme. It's still not done, but yeah, has some potential to be hell related. The ice sprites are cool. Thank you. They were free assets that I found online. I do want to replace them, or at least upgrade them. I don't mind using them, but I want to have an artist update them. Because we plan on using... We have some of these eyeballs that also shoot lasers. And or projectiles. And or have teeth. So I have to... update a few of them. Nice mechanic, thank you. This one's pretty simple, actually. This is the second mechanic that you're introduced to. Oh shit. I know. I need to update my. Oh my god, it's just so much work. You don't understand. You know, maybe we'll do that in the morning. Since like less people watch the stream like early in the morning, it'd be the perfect time to update my Steam page. And honestly, I should save administrative work, like, you know, quote unquote boring administrative work. Not for me. You should, like, I'm very picky with finding the perfect screenshot. Like, it's gonna take me a hot minute. You saw me working on the TikToks today. Oh shit. But if you leave that for when you're not streaming, it means that you leave that for when you're actually sleeping. You're right. We'll do it one of these days. I promise. Tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow or during the morning stream. Oh shit. Yeah, these are the laser eyes. Oh fuck. Oh damn. Yeah. I'm going to commission an artist eventually. Oh, I wonder, is it even possible to beat this room right now? Or there's no beating it, but let me see. Shit. I needed to like look at the next direction it's gonna go rather than looking at the player. No. This is. I think it will make this a. Let me draw a little eye. I think this is gonna be a secret room because this is actually pretty challenging, or it's just time consuming. Oh, come on, no. No, I keep fucking up. Alright, wait. Actually, yeah, I kind of like this for a secret room. Pretty sure I could do it if I had time. Yeah, if you want to, but also, my budget is also really low. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about, like, I've commissioned people in the past, like, friends and stuff, and it just becomes, a lot of the time I like to separate business from friendship, or, you know, like, people I'm close with, just because, like, yeah, it can make for weird relationships afterwards. Yeah, true. Damn, this room is actually pretty challenging. I might keep it though, because I think it's possible. I need to make sure it's possible. Oh my god, but I need to also gain some brain cells. Easy. Easy. And then I put a secret right here. He called you a friend. Next time he said previous time. Yeah. But yeah, now we're working on. We're taking a slight break. We've refactored that enemy for like the last few days, so now I'm just working on something light like the particles here. Low-key, I actually don't even want to do any programming today, but maybe we should. Freak Show, thank you for the follow. I usually have my Twitch overlay on this stream. There we go. Alrighty. We could leave the particles. I also wanted to potentially add ghosts to chapter 1 to show like lost ghosts. Like right now we have those skulls. You know the I forgot what they're called. Princess Mononoke. The tree people, the tree spirits. Is it tree spirits? Forest spirits. Oh yeah, these guys. The Kodamas. You can have like a bunch of heads. Obviously we can't make it look, can't copy it, but I think we would only do the heads here. Here, let me try it. Let's try making it. I'll expand this one. Actually, let me make a new scene. 128 by 8 by... or 16. You make your own assets? I do make my own assets from time to time. I did make the I made the books. You're now an artist. That's the power of Sprite. That gives you this sense of confidence that, like... Wait, what is this? If you select a whole bunch of colors, what does it do? I guess, yeah, never mind. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so this is 16 by 16, which might be too large, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. We need a... Let me try. Just drawing a bunch of random ones. Whoops. I've been dramatically failing to use Blender. Oh no. These might be too large, but I still want to try it. Or maybe we should do it based on the skulls. Skull particles, they probably look kind of better. Oh yeah, I didn't see the answer for Sprite. Yeah, you can there's also you could also build Sprite. I think they have the source code. It might be an old source code or something like that, like an older version maybe. I think you can even download the old versions for free somewhere out there. Let me open up the skulls real quick, because I remember we made some decent faces from the skulls. Skull particle. Skull particles. Doo. Oh really? I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. It's actually cool that it's made from the Sprite source code. Let me see Libra Sprite. I mean, I already have Sprite, so I probably wouldn't switch, but if I didn't have Sprite, maybe I would have used the Libra Sprite. Oh, it has the same icon too. Wait. It's the same thing. Boo. What's Matrix? This is the new what's Matrix? Is it like one of those Federation? It is a data structure. Is it like a Discord alternative? Yeah. Interesting.
Hello there.
Yeah, how's it going, Zendra? I don't want to use it. I wonder how many people use it. How many people use Matrix? I haven't even heard of it until today. 60 million users. No way. What about Gilded? They don't officially share numbers officially. Okay, this there's no way there's a 25. There's no way 60 million people are using this, right? Is it more of a corporate thing? No, it's like a. It seems like it's a federation thing, like decentralized chat. Maybe it's available in China. Matrix org population popularity. How is it that it's so popular and I've never heard of it until today? Or has anyone else here heard of it? Matrix org. Where? Mainly used in China and China. That would make more sense. Just fixed a bug. I'm such a moron. Nah, don't say that about yourself. You'd be surprised. I mean, like, sometimes bugs just, it's hard to, find them. So yeah, I want to do something like this. Let's try it out. For now, I'm gonna throw them in here. Yeah, how's it going, Jack? Oh, it's this song again. It's been a hot minute. It's very loud, though. Chilling like a villain. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I don't know if I like these whatever the hell is going on here. I'll try it out though. I'm gonna get rid of these books. We would have to animate them separately too. The way they move is like furniture right now. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. It has potential, but at the moment, no. I also think maybe the dark outline is too much. Maybe give it like black eyes. Do. Do, 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 do.
Hello there.
What's up, Half Moon? Do. All right. Now let's see what it looks like with no outline. I also don't really like. I don't know if I like these right here. The chests are too much. Normal life stuff. I would say just about the same. It's always normal life stuff with me. Or, I mean, we do the same thing every day. It seems like they're still outlined. Or am I just let me save it again. Yeah, they look scary too. Maybe we could do like a different color, like But yeah, how we animate them would probably be different. Maybe we want them to look kind of like, you know, in the cover photo, the current cover photo of the game, there are like these ghosts that are rising up. Maybe I should do something like that, where they go upwards and they kind of just float up and escape, rather than what they're doing right now, which is like they look like they're lost, or they just look like furniture. They look like furniture because they're rotating in the same manner. Let me see. Maybe we can find better ghost particles. Ectoplasm. Ooh.
Hello there.
Yo, Shiny, welcome to the stream. How's it going?
Hello there.
Pigorly. Oh man, I have such a funny joke. I keep wanting to say it, Pigorly. But now that I keep saying that, I feel like it's probably not that funny if I do say it. Oh, /s. Oh, look at that. That looks kind of scary. These teeth. To be honest, I think we're thinking the same thing. That I'm not funny. Or the same joke. I don't think we're thinking the same joke. If that's what you think. Because it's a very unique joke. And like super clever. Like no one could think of the joke that I'm thinking of. Oh, these ghosts are pretty cute, actually. Yeah, sorry, Jack. Yo. New enemy? 16 by 16 made in a 64 canvas. I love the little flares here. Like the little flailing. Whopping 40 seconds of footage of my game so far. You know I'm interested. Where is the license though? No license. I would love to purchase this, but I'd love to purchase this, but I need for there to be a license included under more information. Yo, on top. Yeah, but this is not a license. Does it have a glow? Oh, Cozy posted something, right? Your team, thank you. Oh yeah. This actually looks like Never mind. It kind of looks like one of the characters from Undertale, from a distance. A very polished main menu. Oh, you got guns. You got enemies. Enemies that shoot the player. Moving platforms. Dashes. Recoil that shoots you. That shoots the player up. Nice. Oh yeah. Here's a fire emoji to acknowledge how fire it is. Bum, bum, bum. Look at those spent shells. And the shells too, yeah. Drop the link. In fact, if you want, I could play it on Saturday. If it's a web browser version. I mean on stream is what I mean. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Saturday is not real. That person over there is not real. Bum, bum, ba-da. Ooh. Whoa. These guys look freaky. Alright, I think that is it for the ghosts. Not too many ghost sprites. Well, that's pretty cool. Whoa, this is pretty cool too. I'm afraid I'll have to rewrite my engine to support WebGL. Well, you better get to it. I'm kidding. I'll solve it soon. Oh, what? Oh yeah, there are some issues with the web export. I think it is possible to do it though. Actually maybe not. I don't know. We searched up ghosts. What if I search up ghost? Oh, you can't. Oh man, I wish they had the ability for you to just search up stuff instead of tags. I want a bat that looks like a book. What if I ship a laptop? That could work. I'll ship it back. Boop, boop, Can't you steal grandma? Oh, true. Why didn't I think of that? Uber Eats is trying to hit you up with a discount, but it has a $90 minimum order. What the hell? Ooh, we can add a succubus to our game. I actually do want to add an Easter egg to Grumble's game. Ooh. This is kind of cool. Is this all it does? Oh. Please include... Oh, I know this guy. We included their skull enemy. Why is it zoomed in so much? I think I would just use it as a decoration, because I don't think we can include it as an enemy or anything like that. Enemy galore, number 2. Not sure if there's a big enough room to include an Easter egg of your spaceship. Could try figuring out some sort of Easter egg though. What's this? There's more stuff included in this one. What the hell is that? Is that a cat? Admiran. Yeah, we've looked at this person's stuff before. Solid pack? Yeah. It's a... I don't think I would use it, but... if you do need it... it's pretty good. Oh, I remember this one. I was thinking of using this. That's pretty scary. These kind of look good for lasers. What? Oh, what if this is the laser enemy? Instead of an eyeball, I could just make it this. I would change it. It looks a little too like an Aztec theme to it. I think we would change that up just a bit. These also look pretty cool. How much is this one? $9. I mean, this one's really good. I don't know if I would use it. This would be a crazy boss, though. Bro, this is nightmare fuel, though. This is nightmare fuel right here. I want to see... wait, I want to try something. I want to see what it would look like if we actually change the color palette. It would have to be like... It has potential. I could make it even scarier and like make this red. That is actually kind of scary. It's giving me the heebie-jeebies. Without it, it gave me moldy rice cracker vibes. All right. Yeah, I think I will buy it. Oh man, I would have to make an enemy. Wait, maybe I try to think. Like, what if I scaled? What if I made this the eye enemy instead? But it's so high resolution, and these look really good for skulls too. Or like, it could be a completely different enemy too. Oh my god. All right, yeah, I don't really like this one. It has like this Aztec look to it. Which, I mean, it would maybe... Oh, maybe I could put that in the second chapter. But I still need something to shoot lasers. Alright, let's buy it. This was completely unintentional. I did not... This is not why I went to Itch. It's not what I was looking for when I opened up Itch. It's kind of like, you ever go to, like, Walmart or something? Or, like, you know, a supermarket and you go for something. You intended on buying something, but you leave with everything except the thing you initially went to the store for. But what are words? They have some really good particles too. I highly recommend their particles if you or FX. Like, this looks pretty cool. In fact, $4 Canada. That's like $3.50. That's like $3.50. Oh, look, some tentacles, some tentacle action. That's like 25 cents USD. No, it's. I think the US dollar is pretty close to Canada. CAD to USD. Oh, it's $3. Plus whatever conversion rate they probably... These are pretty cool too. I'm not likely to use this one, but these are pretty nice. Whoever this person is, Admurin, I should follow him. This one is also pretty nice, but I don't know what I would use it for. I kind of like this like weird looking, I can't even, it's hard to tell what's going on here. Oh, what the hell? I don't know why my camera does that sometimes. I have to like deactivate it and activate it again. I guess it focuses, but I didn't know there was like focus settings on the webcam. Or maybe it's just dirty. All right, we'll buy this one for sure. All right, so much for working on the. You know what? Yeah, actually, this is great because I was gonna say we're gonna work on the states for the eyeball enemy, but we might just make it not an eyeball and make it like a skull that shoots lasers instead. So this actually kind of works. Oh, you know how? Oh my god, this looks so sick. I'm excited to use it. I don't know if we're gonna make a. It would be so cool to have a boss in the game. This is a large image though, like what, like 64 by 6. This might. Is this more than 64? I can't even tell. It's gonna be like half the screen size. That's the only problem. Let me see. Where's the? Ah, shit. Oh, we have it here, but I don't know what the scale is. What if you make it a laser that shoots eyes? Has anyone ever told you you have amazing ideas? No, this is 64, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What's the size of this? One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it's like 64 by 32. That's actually kind of nice. And they use a custom. I could, but I wasn't able to select. I wanted to like. How do you edit the box without? Because you can only do this. Do we have a license? Yeah, it doesn't actually have an official license. That's the only. Use this asset in any project, personal, commercial. But honestly, if I could always fight this. Potentially, if they ever did some shenanigans, I don't think they would, but if they did, I think I could fight this if they put this as their license. Sprite size. I think I know. Let me see. Sprite size. So it's 512 though. The huge this entire image is 512. So I would divide it by 4. There we go. Are you happy now? Yeah, we don't even need the license. We could just copy this, right? This is how the internet works. Boom. Boom. All right. License are for beginners. All right, let me snip this. This is how I collect proof of my license. I have to save images of itch pages. Re-upload the Big Brain Corporation strats. I've actually wondered about that. If I commissioned someone and all they did was just literally if you find a really cheap artist on Fiverr and all they do is just copy some, they Google the asset you want. Boom, 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 boom. Where's I already saved it, but I also want to save. I should start saving the pages as well. I'm gonna save it on my link copy pasta legal stuff. Wait, what? Let me put new note. We'll call it itch page assets that I am using. All right. You Fiverr them and fit for 50, and they Fiverr someone else for 5 to do the job. Yeah. This desktop, what there's so much structure in my desktop. Besides some of the here, let me. Where do I put this? Where's my Twitch? See, yeah. Let's see how easy it is for me to find my Twitch folder. Twitch stuff. See right there. Random, all my images stuff, and like maybe less important things are over here. Actually, solo dev should be up here. But yeah, I got all my important game dev stuff up over here. You know, this is the these are the you know, this is all the everything on the left is work. This is all play on the right side. Obsidian is my note-taking software. So that's this right here. Unused space is wasted space. Am I right? Yeah. Here are all my commissions or like drawings that I do. Eventually we'll throw these all into this folder or another folder. But sometimes we like to reference that. I put Memori demos right here because, like, you know, sometimes we want to play test, so we leave that right there. Tile setter, I don't know why these are here. This should be here. Tile setter, I'll put it here. I don't really use tile setter. Man, there's structure and everything. Do you have automatic backups to an external drive or something? Why would I? For what? The drawing, of course, the drawing tablet drivers, those are really important for your desktop. Some Godot images, yeah. This is all Twitch stuff. My commissions, here we throw those in there. Honestly, if my desktop goes, I'm okay with this stuff going away. I do have backups, but not from... How would you back stuff up? How do you back up your desktop? There's too much shit on my desktop. Is the game repository? No, I save it on my desktop. Why would I have a repository? I'm kidding. Where's the porn folder? Secretly hidden. I have all the source code of my game written, backed up right here. All right, let's buy this asset. Running source code on paper, yeah. I write it. I also write it in binary. All right, let me buy this asset real quick. boom. I have to charge my phone. So I have to. Oh shit, we're on 1%. Hopefully it just didn't die. Okay. Because we have to use Authy, probably. Boom, boom, boom. Three notifications in Grumble's Discord. I think Grumble's taking a break, right? Last stream before vacation. Alright, give me 1 second to open up my Authenticator app. Yeah, right? Shady needs a break for what? All they do is play video games on stream. Boom, boom, boom. Alrighty. How to use these enemies? Abilities, Puppet E. Where's your license though? You made this huge ass text, but no license. Grr. I'm angry. Can we also put our assets on our desktop sometimes? I put my favorite. Oh, I should put like see, bones, skulls. Okay, wait, here, let's do this. Make a new folder right now. I'm gonna call this my favorite. I'll call it good assets. Secretly my porn folder. Anyway, bye. I'll see you, Cozy. Peace. Good assets. What is this? Dark Victorian. Sure, why not? What's this? Do I use any of these? Oh yeah, we use the kinda wanna use these signs as well, they're kinda nice. Bum, ba-da-dum. Oh, you also use this. Would you say, peeps, and the itch release before Steam release makes sense to test the waters? I remember, yeah, I would say so. You could get, it's better for feedback, especially if your game hasn't been tested too much. Yeah, because yeah, I mean, itch is a lot more lenient with, like, you know, if you do bad on Steam, because Steam is like, you know, it's an actual platform for buying games. People are much more judgmental, whereas itch is specifically for indie games, and yeah, people know that it's, you know, there's an indie crowd. Steam is for normies, yeah. Normies will judge your game. Normies. Frickin' normies. Imagine using Steam All the PCs are on stream, on Steam, yeah. All those playable characters are on Steam. All right, let's look at these assets. We got Puppet C, which is the big one. There's also buffs. Buffs. What are buffs? Alright, let me open it up in a different different file here. Let's see what this is. A sword. Some more swords. A shield. More shields. A target. More targets. More targets. Okay. Whoops. Shit. I closed the first one, I think. Alright, so yeah, I actually don't really... I mean, we could use it for chapter... Ooh. Oh, the death animation looks really good too. You know, I might even use this. It doesn't look too bad. Oh, we definitely would probably want to change the colors. Let me see, sprite. Whoa, woof, woof. Womp, 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 womp. Maybe we can make it look scarier. Darker tones, what? To contrast? Like this? You mean like this? I'm not sure if I like this though. Let's see. It has potential, I just don't know. Let me see. I also might want to make this look more like a skull than what it currently looks like. How's it looking, game? What does this one originally look like? Okay. Wait, also, let me try this. Do 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 do. I would like for this to be red though, that's the only. See, maybe we could do like What the hell? I meant to, also, it has potential. Oh, what? Why didn't this one change? Alright, we could try this one. But also, yeah, it has like a full animation to it too. Like, this looks pretty sick. It'd be cool if like the mouth opened as well. Like, chomp chomp, chomp 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 chomp. Which one is I hope this is the idol. Death hit. Oh, this was the idol. Whoops. Okay, we can redo this real quick. Oh. I'm gonna try the white one first. Maybe we should make like different layers. Yeah, but nah, whatever. I want to speedrun. So we used like the bone colors, which was this one, and this one. I'm gonna try this. Oh shit. Maybe dark red for the teeth here. And the eyes. And everything except... Oh, you know what I could do? Oh wait, we already used this color. Okay. Like this. Red for this. And then I want to grab these. Also maybe make it gray here. Whoops. Nope. Alright, let's give this a shot. Wait, what the hell? There we go. Oh, and the eyes need to change. Alright. Puppet idol. Save as. Where the hell is my Let's go into our. Let's go into this one. So this would be an entirely new enemy. Let's do laser enemy. Room 215. What do we call it? Forgot already. Laser enemy sprite sheet. Okay. Ooh, putting an eye on there would be kind of cool too. Let's see. Alright, let's go into, what do we call it? Laser V2. Oh, these are laser enemies, which is what it's supposed. There's only ever gonna be one of them. Do 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 do. What the hell? Whoosh. Bum, 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 bum. Why that? Why is the eye still there? Do 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 do. There it is. Oh my god. This is actually pretty cool though. Oh shit, oh shit. Exploded? Yeah, that actually would be cool. Neocortex. Neocortex. This guy? I kind of like these as well. Maybe I can make this the face, and the laser can come from the mouth. Let me look at it real quick. I feel like we've looked at skulls before, right? Surprisingly, not too many skull. Skeleton? Bum, 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 bum. Alright, that's okay. We can probably find... We actually do have the skull projectiles as well. Let me see. This could be a crazy chapter. World... What do we call them? Skull enemies. I need to be more consistent with my naming, because I don't know what the hell I called my skull enemy. Oh, there it is. Skull enemy. Of course. These ones specifically have to be within these tiles, because they follow the player. Wonder if we want to change that. Also, will these send the signal? Yeah, they will. That's crazy. Alright, let me go into our player real quick. Volume's a little loud. So I posted on Reddit, you know, the game. People were saying like, "Oh, dude, this is actually kind of crazy. This is like turning into a different game." I'm gonna show those people who kept saying, "Hey, what differentiates your game from Celeste?" You got freaking laser beams, and I mean, oh, Celeste also has laser beams. Fuck. But not like this. Wait. Wait until you give your character a shotgun. This is actually, I'm really enjoying this a little too much. Now do it with damage on. This is all skill right here. So yeah, no, they're not wrong. I just hear it so much. But the thing is, like, I showcased my game with the enemies, and like I feel like this mechanic was like the most that separates my game from Celeste. So like, if I'm gonna get that comment on my most unique mechanics, there's no hope for it being compared to Celeste. Well, I mean, I get that it is supposed to be compared to Celeste. The movement is very similar, but yeah, like there's not like the one thing that bugs me is when people say, "Oh, you need to do something to make it less like Celeste," but like the foundation is already like Celeste, so to like change that would ruin the whole game. Embrace the Celeste, yeah. I mean, it will have unique elements. I mean, if we have rooms like this freaking is a little crazy. What are the effects? Obviously, this is kind of too intense. And here, wait. Let me just show you. So we have projectiles, we have lasers. I want to add an enemy that follows the player. You know, it might take me 2 months to finish this chapter, considering we're adding all of these. I'll definitely add like levels with this new mechanic, but yeah, I think it's gonna take me a little longer to finish this entire chapter. Your whole marketing is Celeste. Yeah, that's true. The thing is, I stopped for a second. Like, I didn't include it in my. You know, Sekros was on my stream the other day, and he was like, "Oh, you should stop marketing your game as Celeste inspired." And I was like, "You know what? You're right." You know, like he upped my ego just a bit. You know, and then I stopped writing it, and then came back the oh, this is just Celeste comments. There's no winning. But to be fair, I don't want to say to be fair, but like basically, I don't know. I feel like, you know, I can't help but look at the comments or like look at the people who make the comments, and it's usually not someone who like is even experienced with game dev. Like I usually only post on game dev servers or game dev subreddits, and it's usually people who are just like, you know, I don't know. I mean, I look at their profile and it's just like comments for days, like they live on Reddit or something. Not everyone, but like, you know, a lot of them are. Oh, we get stuck, and then we're dead. But yeah, this has potential. I think we'll probably change the skulls. I don't like the way they look. Or not the skulls. We can maybe, like, these are what the original skulls look like. Maybe we can make like a larger version of that one. Let's see how the good commenter's Celeste clone is compared to Memori. What I do like is when people say, "Oh, this is like Celeste, but with something else." Like with this chapter, I think someone might have mentioned Carry On with, which makes sense. I see it, and Celeste, or this game, and I mean Terraria vibes too. Terraria Crimson, just go all in. I'm gonna drop 3 other games in the in the Steam description for my game. Oh, I see. All right, well, yeah, this is Terraria, Celeste. What the hell? Oh, what the hell? I think we might be lagging. Am I deleting the projectiles? We might be something with our manager might be broken. Because we did redo everything. My game was freezing. This is so much fun. We have to update it now, but it looks fun. Or it feels fun. And it looks crazy. Okay. I need to find... Either we need to draw our own skulls. Yeah, let me look at the other assets that are available to us. There's this one. Oh, shit. Wait. Actually, this one doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna open it. Shit, where's Let me close this. We could probably edit these to look more like skulls. Right now they look like, you know, like Aztec helmets, or the tribal masks. Which actually, I still might use it for the temple, because the temple has like that sort of Aztec vibe to it. Not sure what I would do with this though. But you know, it also has Aztec vibes, Celeste, in the those circular, I don't know what they're called. Celeste, electric circle. Never mind. Gonna get some sleep already. Maybe by the next time I finish my stream, I'll raid you again, Shady. But to be like, that stream this morning was way too long. I kind of I stayed up way longer than I usually do. I stayed up till like 10 a.m., which was crazy. This looks pretty good too. Like, imagine this opening its mouth and then lasers coming out. No. Oh, no stream for you tomorrow? Okay. Laser puke. The only issue is I'm scared rotating it might look weird. We could try it out. Boom, 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 boom. But this would also be a good mechanic for like an enemy that follows you, because it kind of looks like that. Let me see. Load default palette, sprite, indexed. Oh my god, why do they make it? Why does it make it disgusting? doom, 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 doom. All right, let me see. White here. Then this. Then this. We'll have to figure out how to make it look better. I don't know yet. Boom, 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 boom. I'm stuck in a loop. I don't know which colors. I'm gonna try this one. And then this color for the eyes. Or maybe red. Or this one. I see the vision. I should just only do the idols for now. This could potentially work. Let me see. Red also, brown doesn't also look too bad. Oh wait, what happened to our eyes? Oh, we removed the. What did I do to the eyes? Although, it kind of looks. No. We made them white. Whoops. What did the original ones look like? Shit. Oh, like this. Looks pretty good, I gotta say, I think. I'm still unsure if we're gonna use this for the laser enemy or just a unique enemy. Let me see. Whoops. Oh. Whoops. What the hell? I'll be right back. Ugh. It's getting hot. I mean, it's been hot. I just mean it's hot in my room. I'm also gonna eat some food. Death will have to update. Rebirth. Start IO. Okay. It's not gonna look good, but we'll see. We'll see its potential. I'm still not happy with the colors. I think we tried this already. How's it going, Doodle? One gigapixel image of practical to the Discord. In case anyone needs it. It's a lot different from before. When was the last time you were here? So, alright, it's not too bad. This would be a great Minecraft skin. Won't be able to see it, unfortunately. Yeah, like, what would be able to open up a gig? Oh, I see. Who's Joseph, though? How do we do this? Imagine being so narcissistic that you have a picture of yourself. Alright, I feel like I need to think about it. I'm not entirely sure what I want here. I do like this asset, but like it looks bad. Maybe we would make this a shooting enemy or a following enemy. I do really like this texture though. This one looks a lot better. Maybe we will make it like a following enemy instead. And then we'll have to figure out a skull for the eyeball. And then we also have this one. This one looks really good. No, you're good. I don't care. I was just joking. I was saying, who's Joseph? Like, because I was saying earlier, my name isn't. That isn't my name. I appreciate the concern, though. But yeah, it's all good. Oh, yeah. But yeah, I am gonna call it quits. It's pretty short. It's a pretty short stream. We'll definitely do more. I'm just not sure what I want to do with the skulls. I don't feel like really coding anything right now either. So yeah, we'll call it here. I need to I think starting next week we're gonna get back into that grind of like, I do want to stream more often, or like for longer. Hopefully, we'll get back into it. Thank you. 100% full size. Looks like. Alrighty. Let's see who's on Twitch. Oh shit, Art's popular today. Yagic. He's playing Valheim. Noita? New Jank? I think these two people are... Oh no, never mind. Nectar.
So the raycast, I don't think I can just drop one in here, right? It wouldn't be in here, I think.
Let's go for that.
Raycast 2D. What's that look like?
Alrighty, people. Till next time.
There it is right there.
If you're interested in wishlisting Memori, there it is. See ya, Tomer.
Maybe this goes with the bullet emitter. Collision mask.
Who else is here? Over here. Oh, Shreddy left. Doodlebug. Anyone else?
Bodies.
Zendra. Kent. Desired State. Peace, everybody.
Parent. Oh, nice.